Hey guys, Terrence here at Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Now in our last video, we talked briefly about Robert, about him coming to the team. We want to give him some time to talk to you about who he is and what he does. Robert, take it away.
Hey guys, Robert here with Computers Plus in Acworth. Terrence told you where it is. Now you know we've got the best and the most beautiful gaming PCs in town, in store, on the shelf. Now let's take a look at this one. This is housed in one of my favorite chassis. This is the Thermaltake P3 Snow Edition, open air chassis, can't beat it. Ryzen 2600 CPU, we're keeping you liquid cool with a Cooler Master AIO, and we're also running a gorgeous Trident Z RGB 16 gigabyte 3200 megahertz RAM kit, 500 gigabyte Samsung SSD. Your read and write times, your load and save times just got a lot better. And the beauty inside this beast, or the beast inside this beauty, I should say, is the EVGA RTX GeForce 2080 XE Ultra Graphics card. You want to play Fortnite? Boom, done. You want to play Far Cry 5? Boom, done. Doesn't matter. You throw it at it, it can handle it. Now let me tell you a little bit about me. There's nothing I love to do more than build computers. And I'm the best in the world. That's right. There's a new sheriff in town. Think you can outbuild me? Come on in and throw down on it. So let's come over here and look at another beautiful gaming rig that we just got in stock. I know the chassis is a little bit mundane. We can put this in anything you want. Running an i7 8700 processor, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, MSI 2070 RTX graphics card. So come on in, take a look. If you don't see what you want, we can build it. See you soon.